Welcome to the SITAONAIR APAC and Connected Aircraft User Group meeting. On behalf of the entire SITAONAIR team, thank you for coming to spend the next 2 days with us. Put a lot of thought into the agenda this year and really trying to encapsulate the theme, which is really about digital transformation and all of the possibilities that can bring, but also at the same time remembering our core services and how important to you those are in terms of making sure all of the services and applications that you have with us today not only suit your purposes now but also in the future. We're very happy to also have a keynote address from Dr. Grauss from the London School of Economics.
Pleasure to be here. A very, very different environment every time I get the opportunity to speak at one of these. And thank you to SITAONAIR for having me here. I think it stands to be a very, very good, very relevant forum for what's happening. And testament to that has been the change I've seen since I started looking at this space.
Then we're also going to spend some time having some shared customer experiences from Cebu Pacific.
So we are the biggest Filipino carrier. We are based in the Philippines. Our main base is Manila, and we are very determined. We are building a team around just this concept because we really want to transform the way we're dealing with data.
Every year when I come and I prepare this presentation, the first thing I like to do is look at what I talked about last year. Year after year, it's good to look back and realize how far we've come, because you can make a small improvement every single day and feel like you haven't had a big impact, and after a year it adds up.
We're getting ready with a strong and structured approach. We're investing in R&D. We're investing in our key platforms, and we identify a number of key innovation projects every year, which we're investing in. We're maintaining our attention on our existing portfolio, making sure it's delivering the services that you need. And I think this meeting really embodies this next point. It's really about customer-centric innovation and co-innovation and co-creation. We're ready for the next part of the journey with you. So thank you very much.